Today we're talking about shiny leather versus the dull leather. What's the difference? I'll tell you what the difference is. This is a brand new cover. This one's got 150,000 miles on it. Over time, from sliding in and out of the truck all the time, sweat, oil, all that just buffs a shine onto the top surface of the leather. We've had several calls over the years from people calling in and say, hey, you sent me the wrong color seat cover. My old one is a lot darker and it's shiny. You sent me the flat matte, I need the gloss. Well, that's completely incorrect. What it is just over time, from sliding in and out, it just buffs the shine onto it. You can also see the grain of the leather is smoothed out just from rubbing over it all the time. You know, so this is a brand new cover. This is the old cover. Here's the new leather that we use to sew this. You can lay it over the top here and you can really see the difference of the shine. Now this hadn't been cleaned. If you clean your seat covers on a regular basis, you'll never run into this. Guys, when I'm talking about cleaning your seat cover, I'm not talking about just wiping it off with a rag. You really need to get a good leather cleaner and go to town on this thing, scrub it all off, make sure you get all those oils and dirts and stuff removed out of the seat cover. That way you'll get rid of that shine, and when you put the new seat cover on, it's gonna match up perfect. Hey guys, if this video was good, give it a thumbs up. If it's bad, give it a thumbs down. If you got an idea for us to shoot something else, leave us a comment. We'd be more than happy to read those and shoot something different for you.